Welcome to WAYSOM. Today the board in front of you explains one of the most important concepts in mathematics, functions. Look at the top section. A function is a rule that assigns exactly one output to every input. This means if you give one value, the function must give only one result back, never two. Now focus on the diagram in the middle. Think of a function like a machine. You send in an input, the machine applies a rule and produces an output. For example, on the board we have f of x equals 2x plus 3. If we feed the input 5, the output becomes 13. This shows how the rule transforms the value. Move down to the key rule box. It states clearly, one input must give one output. If a single input gives multiple outputs, it is not a function. Which brings us to the example on the right. Here, when x equals plus or minus 2, y equals 4. Since one output corresponds to two different inputs, this relationship fails the definition of a function. Finally, look at the graph test at the bottom, the vertical line test. If a vertical line touches a graph at more than one point, it is not a function because it means one x value gave multiple y values. So from this board, you see three things: the meaning, the working example, and the test that confirms whether a relation is a function. If this visual helped you understand, please subscribe to WAYSOM, the way to wisdom, where learning becomes simple and clear.